Greetings. Welcome once again to tutorials where we are looking at how you can use MicroLB as a software for your business management and overall documents management system for your business. So last time we were looking at contacts, and today we are going to look at a new other module called employees. So let's be together and look at how we can use employees module to manage the employees of our company. So as the name suggests, employees module is there to manage or to help you manage the employees that you have in your company. So it can be all the aspects to do with the employees, like their data, their positions, the reporting order, etc. So I'm gonna click on the employees module so that we see what we find in there. So once I click on that, it will open. It has opened me a page where there are employees for this particular company, and as you can see here, it has been they have been well put. In the menu bar here, we have got this employees, and then you have got this employees where you can select either you want to see employees or their contracts, and then you can also view the employee directory, which is like a normal call of the employees that you have. I'll click on employees so that we can see all the functionalities of an employee. So, what this means is that you have got different employees being employed in this company, and you can see them by just looking at the list that is provided here. And you can as well search if at all you want to, if at all you have a lot of employees in the company and you want to filter or maybe to search a particular employee within the organization, you can just come here and type on search button here. Like for example, if I type trial, only trial gamma is going to come out of all the employees. This is the same. This is how a different if you have a pool or a lot of employees, you would want to select one. That's how you can do it. Yeah, so let us just go through one employee and see the data that we find there. So in this one, if I click on Chance Demo, you can see that the page or the form contains all the data to do with a particular employee. For example, here is the name, his position is the managing director, and it's also shown here. Department is in the administration, their phone numbers, their email address, their work location, etc. And then down here you also have their work address, and you can also, if the employee has a coach, you can also put a coach here, etc. And then here you have kind of an organization structure, an organization chart of the reporting structure in the company. For example, here you have got this Chance Demo as a manager, or as a manager for Trial Gamma. Trial Gamma reports to Chance Demo. Yeah, so you can see that this is level 1, and there are two people reporting to him in directly or indirectly. That's why it shows 2 here, and then it shows that on Trial Gamma there is one person reporting to him. Yeah, so that's it. And you can also see that this can also help to manage the time sheets. So once you log in, this employee is connected to this account I'm using to log into the system, Mr. Demo. And if the connection is done here, you can see the related user to the system is Mr. Demo, and it is tracking when I logged in using this particular account. At the same time, you can see Mr. Chance Demo has one contract, and that contract is running. If you click on contracts, you see the list of contracts that Mr. Demo has. As you can see here, the MD contract is on new, but we can just drag it and drop it on running so that the contract can be under a state of running. And if you go back to Chance Demo, or to the contracts of Mr. Chancy Demo, you see we have got one contract which at this point in time it is running here. Yeah, so you can see all the details about the contract and all the salary information about the contract, which is 450,000 per month, etc. All this can be set as you are adding a contract to an employee. And in this case, you can do that by just pushing edit to edit the details of a contract of that particular employee. So generally, it's just for managing your employees' company details to make sure that you have got all what you need as details for the employee. Yeah, so to get an employee, you just have to come here. You push create and then you write an employee name here. You write their former mobile phone number, their phone number, their work email, their work location, their department, their job position. Here it's a drop down. If you don't find the job position, you can always create and edit here, and you can also put their manager there and all the information, like for example here the work address, the coach, the expense. This is the expense administrator. And then once they log in, if you attach their account or their employee account with the user account, they'll be able to edit this other information on themselves, like the nationality, the identification number, the passport number, the gender, etc. All this they can fill at their own on their own once they log in using the user. Yeah, the other thing is that you can also add their headshot so that you can identify their profile so easily whenever you are working on their details. All right, so just in a nutshell, those are some of the things that you needed to know about the employees module. The other thing is that you can also filter the employees depending on different parameters. For example, the contract warning, if at all there are warnings on the contract, archived if not, or not, you can also do that. You can also add your own custom filters. For example, you would want to filter maybe by address, so that the address contains blue, and by the end of the day you will see you do not have any other employee of that particular filter. You can also filter using you can also group by manager, and you see here for this one the manager is undefined, for this one the manager is Chance Demo, and for this one the manager is Trial Gamma. You can also group by department, so you'll be able to see these under departments and see the employees that you have in a particular department. You can also filter by job. If you filter by job, you'll see this is a sales and marketing executive, this is the sales manager, and this is a managing director. So it's a very good way of viewing these things. You can also view it as a list, and then you remove the groups. You find that as a list that you can check for the employees that you have in your company. Yeah, I believe it's quite a straightforward module where information is put, and I believe you'll find it very good for the management of your employees, everything to do with them. Thank you so much, and let's be together in the next module.